Kanak, you are too cute. And next class is your dance class, so everybody has to attend your dance class, okay? Let's do one small activity before starting our class. That is very small, okay? You can take any rough notebook, or if you have a pad, so you can take a marker or pen or pencil, okay? Anything, matlab something should be, we can put it on our head, okay? And take a notebook or take a writing pad, or you can take this kind of whiteboard also, that is fine. No, you have to draw something, so you have to take it in such way so that you can draw. If I'm putting this up and I have to draw something, so I can draw over there. So if you are taking notebook, so take that page or writing pad, anything, so that you can draw on it.
मैम क्या करना है?
Acha, we are just doing a small 5 minutes fun activity, so that you can do one thing. You can take any notebook. If you want to take any notebook, you can take a notebook or a open page and a pencil. If you are taking whiteboard, so you should have a marker. Okay. Now, everybody, you have all the things together with you. Okay, the things are with you. I can see Shlok's having. Himay is having, Vedika, Prayag. What about others? You can take a notebook or rough page so that you can put it on your head. Yes, bacha. Okay, no problem. I'm giving you 2 minutes, no issue. Kanak, wait for the activity. Wait for the activity.
मैम क्या लिखना है?
Bacha, you can take any notebook or any writing pad so that you can draw something on it. If you want to take a notebook, you can take notebook. If you have a whiteboard, you can take a whiteboard, whatever you want to take. It's up to you. But it should be hard so that you can keep it on your head. If you are putting on your head, so it should be hard. Don't draw anything when ma'am will tell you, at that time you have to draw. Yes, bacha.
Super hard. I was trying to make a heart and a triangle, then it becomes like just some scribbles.
But I told you that you are not supposed to draw anything right now. When ma'am will tell you, at that time only you have to do. Okay, now everybody is ready. If you are ready for the activity, show me thumbs up so that we can finish it fast. Okay. Others, Kanak, please mute your microphone. Shiven, you have your things with you. You have your things with you. Okay, so now the activity is very simple, very simple. You all know the shapes, right? What are the shapes? So we are going to draw that, but what you have to do, you have to put your writing, whatever you have. If you have whiteboard, if you have notebook, anything, you have to keep it on your head, right, like this. And then whatever ma'am will tell you, you have to draw like this. Okay, you have to draw like this. You are not supposed to see. Okay, you are not supposed to see. You are not supposed to see. You can keep it on your head and you can draw. Okay, are you able to do? That's fine, it's okay. Let's see how you can draw. Shlok is finding little bit difficult, right, Shlok? So you can take a notebook, a small notebook, Shlok, if it is difficult for you. So let's start, okay? You have to draw a circle. Keeping your hand, you have to draw a circle. You have to draw a circle. No, Shlok, no, Shlok. You have to keep it. No, don't show me. Don't show me. Don't show me. I'll tell you when you have to show me. You have to keep it on your hand and you have to draw. Okay, first you have to draw a circle. Draw a circle. Keep it on your hand. Keep it on your head and draw a circle. Draw a circle. Okay. Now by touching that circle, you have to draw a triangle. You have to draw a triangle. By touching, yes. Again, I'm telling you, no, don't show me, Vedika. First of all, you have to do. Draw a circle. Then by touching that circle, you have to draw a triangle. And by touching that triangle, you have to draw a square. Okay? You have to draw a square. Again, I'm telling you, you have to draw a circle. Okay? By touching that, you have to draw a triangle. And by touching that, you have to draw a square. Let's see how you have done. Show me yours, everybody. Show me yours. This is mine. Now, show me yours. See, you are not able to do it. Like everybody has done it in a very different way. Nobody has done. I told you that all the three shapes should be in touch way. Okay? Kanak, good try. Nivan, you are in something else. You have done something different. It is not looking like a triangle. Only circle I can see proper.
I can see.
Yes, I can see. Okay, Heth has done very nicely. Heth has done very nicely.
I almost did it.
Yeah, I can see Kia is also tried very nicely. Kia, good job. Yes, Gauri, I can see yours. Okay, so everybody. Okay, now everyone just mute your microphone. Okay, mute your microphone. Class, please mute your microphone. So this is just a small activity so that you can see. Ma'am is giving you a direction. You are doing it, but everybody has done it in a different way. Okay, there were only three shapes, and that should be in touch with each and every shape should be touched with each other. But then too, you have presently in a different way. Okay, so this is just a simple activity. इसमें कुछ नहीं था. Just to know that कि you can do it, but everybody has a different way to do. Okay, we will do it this activity once again so that you can do much more better. Right? Now, everyone keep the things aside. Now, let's start with our lecture, which we have to do. Okay. So, right now we are taking English class. And before vacation, we have completed all the sounds of the letter. Okay. Can anybody tell me how many sounds do we have? Can anyone just raise your hand? Nobody will speak in between. How many sounds we have? Just raise your hand. Who knows it? How many sounds we have? Okay, Hima is raising the hand. Yes, Hima, tell me how many sounds we have.
26.
Okay. Okay, fine. Good try. Next, anybody else? Okay, today, okay, so you are not aware of it. Let me tell you one thing. We have 26 letters, right? Alphabets. How many? 26. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, you know, right? A to Z. That is 26 alphabet. But now what we have learned, the way we have learned the sounds, there are 44 sounds. Okay? Those alphabets have a 44 sounds. The letters are 26, but the sounds are 24. That already I have told you. We have learned the group wise, right? Each and every group has six sounds, which we have learned. We have 7 groups in that way, and which we have learned. Okay? So remember that there are 44 sounds. You know the vowels having a 2 sounds. You know that? There are the vowels, which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. The vowels are 5, and that 5 vowels have 2 sounds. One is short sound, which we are learning, and one is the long sound. That is the name of the vowel. Okay, that is called long sound. So in this way, the letters are, alphabets are 26, but the sounds are 44. So you should know it. There are 44 sounds. Okay, let's do a recap. Okay, I'm sharing you the screen. Let's do the recap which we have learned. And from tomorrow, we are going to start with the new topic. So here we are starting with, we have 26 letters alphabet, okay, which we know, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H till Z, okay, and each of this letter has a sound, right? Right now we will revise with the alphabet. The letter A is having with sound A, right? A. B is having sound B, okay. What is the sound of C? C sound K, K, okay. We are learning the sound with the soft sound, okay. A, B, B, C, K. Then letter D. D is having D sound. Then Laksh, you will tell me the sound of letter E. What is the sound of letter E, Laksh? Letter E sound.
E. E. E.
Paki, please mute your microphone. Yes, Laksh, please tell me once again.
E. E.
No, you are wrong. The sound of letter E is eh. Okay? The sound of letter E is eh. How? When I told you before that also, whenever you are saying the sound of letter A, your mouth should be open. Eh. And when you are saying the letter E sound, it should be eh. Okay? So, the letter E is having eh sound. F is having the sound of letter F is G, G, G. Letter H, E का आपको lips को broad करना है ऐसे, and the sound of A and E is little bit similar, but the way of saying the sound is different. Okay? Okay. Now the letter I. I is having, the name of the letter is I, but it is having which sound? E sound. Okay? The letter I is having E sound. Yes, Vedika, you will tell me the sound of letter J. Very good. Very good. Now again, Vedika, letter K. Very good. Now I'll ask to Kia. Kia, you will tell me the letter L sound. Like a licking a lollipop, right? Very good. The letter M sound, Kia. M sound. Now Nivan will tell me the N sound. Nivan, your name is starting with N, and you will tell me the sound of letter N. N ka sound. That is M sound. N. Yes, Vedika is doing the action. When the aeroplane is going, it is Now, Khanak, you will tell me the letter O sound. Very good. On, off. Very good, Khanak. Now, Hate will tell me letter P sound. I'm asking you P. P for parrot. P. P sound. Okay. Now, Ayansh, you will tell me the sound of Q.
Umbrella.
Q. Qua. It's qua. Qua. Very good. And yes, qua. Qua. Now, Paki, you will tell me letter R sound. Paki.
Sound good. Arlo sound good. Your turn. No, sound good. Arlo sound.
Paki, letter R, sound of letter R. No, it's not R. It's R. R, not proper R. It's R. Now, I'll ask to Hime. Hime, you will tell me letter S sound.
Okay,
Very good. It's like a snake. Good. Now, Hriday, you will tell me letter T sound. Hriday.
T is the.
Very good, Rite. Very good. Yes, Slok, you will tell me letter U sound.
U का sound बोलो.
Umbrella. Yes. Very good. Yes. Now. Yes. Okay. Now I'll ask to Shri. Shri, you will tell me letter V sound. V. Yes. It is letter V sound is V. V. Okay. When you are saying the letter V sound, your lips should be under your teeth. V. 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 Van. Pollen. Right? V. V. Now I'll ask to who is left to answer? Gauri. Gauri, you will tell me W sound. What is the letter W sound? Gauri. Okay. Yes, very good, Gauri. So again, I'm telling you the difference. When you are saying letter V sound, your lips should be under your teeth. V. And when you are saying W sound, your lips should be in a shape of round. W. 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 Okay. This is the difference between V and W. Okay. W. Now, Shiven, can you tell me the sound of letter X? Shiven. Very good, Shiven. Very nice. And yes, letter Y sound is? Arav will tell. Arav, you will tell. Letter Y sound. Arav. Sound of letter Y.
Why no sound? Why
Y
no
sound.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good, Arav. And the last, Prayag, can you tell me the sound of letter Z? Prayag? Prayag, can you tell me the letter sound Z?
बोलो जोर थी.
Very good, like a bees. Very good, Prayag. Good. Okay, now everyone mute your microphone. So here we have learned that there are 26 alphabets, and from 26, can you see the highlighted one? There are some letters or alphabet which are in red color. Okay, so that red color alphabet is called vowel. Okay, that is called vowels. Here now we can see there are 5 vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. And there are, apart from these 5 vowels, the rest of all the letters, alphabets are called consonants. Okay, what we are called? Consonants. So consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this is green color. All the letters you can see, they are called consonants, and the vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Okay, everyone? Now, sometimes in some cases, even letter Y is also called vowels. Okay? Letter Y ko bhi sometimes we used to say vowel. But when the word is ending with the letter Y ka sound at the end of the word. Okay, whenever Y will come at the end of the any word, it is counted as vowel. The sound is as vowels. Okay, so now always remember there are some consonants and vowels. A, E, I, O, U is a vowel, and A, E, I, O, U is having 2 sound, long sound and short sound. The long sounds are, the name of the vowel are called long sound. The name of the vowel means A is having A sound, E is having E sound, I is having I sound, O is having O sound, and U is having U sound. That is the name of the vowel, the name of the letter. It is called long sound. और उसका short sound which we are learning, A sound, E sound, I sound, E, O sound, O, and U sound, okay, so these are called the short sound and the long sound. Now this is the pattern which we are going to learn now from the next class. How that I'm telling you, this is the picture of a hen, right? So here you can see H-E-N, right? So H is a consonant, E is a vowel, and H is consonant. So that is called CVC words. Okay, what we are calling them? CVC words. Again remember, कैसे यहाँ से हमने H लिया from here, and then we have to E, and again from here we have to N. So H-E-N, H is a consonant, E is a vowel, and N is consonant. So this is the pattern of a word. आप जो भी words लिखोगे, learn करोगे, whatever you are going to do, that is will be in this kind of pattern. Okay, there are some more pattern which I will show you, but this is the basic pattern which you are going to learn. Okay, now the next picture is of log. Okay, so here the L is consonant, O is vowel, and G is again consonant. Okay, so this picture is of log, log. And G is a consonant, O is a vowel. Then who will tell me how we will say? I'll ask to. Okay, Shloki, yes, okay, tell me, J is what? J is a vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
And then U?
Vowel.
And again G?
Consonant.
Yes, so we are learning with the pattern called CVC. C consonant, V vowel, and C again consonant. Then the last, here it is different. Okay, so here this picture is of milk. Okay, every day you are having 1 glass of milk in the morning or in the night. So that is called milk. So here M. M is a consonant. I is a vowel. And again L is a consonant and K is a consonant. So here the pattern is going with a C, V, C, C. Okay, जहाँ कहीं पे भी vowel आएगा, over there we will write V, and apart from that it is C. So it is called CVCC pattern. Okay. Okay, Vedika, I'll ask you also. Now you will tell me how we will say this word. Okay, Vedika, tell me the answer. F-R-O-G. How you will? This is divided into the consonant on vowel. Vedika.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. F is a
consonant.
Then R.
R is a consonant too.
Yes. And what about O?
O is the vowel.
And the last?
G is a consonant.
Yes, very good. So here, this is just basic to give you the knowledge about how the words are forming. Okay, so this is called CCVC. Okay, this is the pattern called CCVC: consonant, consonant, vowel, and consonant. Here the pattern is different. First is consonant, then vowel, then consonant. Okay, so now I just tell you the letter which put together they form words are in this pattern: consonant, vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, consonant. So this is the way we will put the letter together and they form a word, and from that words we will form a sentence. Okay, now you will tell me some of these pictures, how they are forming. Okay, now I will ask to Shiven. Shiven, tell me the picture. Name of the picture?
Bed.
Bed, right? So how we will say bed? What is the spelling of bed?
B-E-B-E-D.
Okay, yes. B-E-D, right? And from B-E-D, which are the consonant letter?
B.
B, only B is there?
No.
Then
B and D.
B and D. And which is the vowel from the word? Yes, you are right. So you have to say here, look here and then also. Correct. So from the bed is b, a, d, b and d is a consonant and e is a vowel. Now the next is this. Yes, Kia, you will answer. You are raising your hand. You will answer this picture. What is this? Zip, right. So from zip, which are the consonant and the vowel?
E,
Yes, correct with the sound. Very good. Now tell me the spelling.
केनी मैम ने
Ina.
Yes, you are. I'm telling you correct with the sound, bacha. I'm asking you the spelling.
Z-I-B.
Z-I-B or Z-I-P?
ZIP मैम
Acha, P. Okay, very good. Now, Kia, tell me which is the vowel from the word.
I.
Very good. And the consonant?
Z and B.
Okay, very good. Very good. So now I'm asking you to this is Shlok. Shlok, tell me, what is this picture? Shlok, come on fast.
Water.
It is a water, but what is where the water is there? It is in a glass, right? So the name of the picture is glass. Now you will tell me how we will buy. What is the spelling of glass? Do you know the spelling of glass?
ग्लास की स्पेलिंग ट्राई कर ग ग ग ग का क्या होगा
G
Hmm.
L
Very good.
A
Very nice.
S.
One more S. Two S. I can see, Hima, you are showing me the picture, the writing part. Very good, Hima. That is very good. You know it. Very nice. I can see. So here I'm writing you glass. Glass. Okay. So G and L. What is that? What we will say to G and L? It's a consonant or vowel. Okay. Then what is this? A. A what we will call to A.
Vowel.
Yes. And then again S and S.
Consonant.
Yes. So here this will go C, C, V, C, C. Okay. This is the pattern. C, C, V, C, C. Okay. Chalo. Now the next picture is of lock. Right. I'm asking to hate. Hate. You will answer. Hate. Hate. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me, do you know the spelling of lock?
L O
Yes.
C
Hmm.
K. Lock.
K. Yes. L O K. Lock. Right. C and K is having same sound. Now tell me which is the vowel from the word. Tell me. Very good. Very good. And the rest of the letter L, C, K, L, C, and K. What is we will call to them?
Consonant.
Very good. Yes, Hime, you are also right. Very good. Now, next, the last one is this picture, and I will ask to Arav. Arav, you will tell me the spelling of this picture.
E L.
What is this picture? It's a ball.
पिक्चर के नो जम पूछे छे
Ball.
Yes. Now tell me the spelling. You know? Do you know the spelling? Okay. If not, then you can tell me with the sound. What are the sounds?
ट्राई करो
It's very easy. If you can say the name of the picture ball, so you can say B.
ब का क्या होता है बी
B
हाँ गुड
L
नहीं
Okay, chalo. I'll tell you the spelling and you will tell me which is the consonant and vowel. Okay, Arav?
तू vowel ने consonant बोल रही.
Okay. So here the spelling is ball. B-A-L-L. Okay. Now tell me which is the vowel from the word.
vowel क्यों चाहिए मती? vowel में spelling.
Vowel. A.
Very good. And the consonant?
consonant क्या चाहिए?
B.
Hmm.
L.
Hmm.
B.
B-L-L.
Yes, B and L are the consonant. So here basic thing I want to tell you that from tomorrow and from the next class, we are going to start with the words. So the words, the pattern of the words will be CVC or CCVC, CCVC or CVCC in any way. So wherever there is vowel, you should know that this is the vowel sound, and wherever there is a consonant, you should know the consonant sound. Okay, now with the help of the Scrabble,
मैंने बहुत सारे गणित वर्ड भी सीखे हैं.
very good, Bacha. We are also going to do that, and I will ask you at that time. Now, what you are going to do? Take your Scrabble kit and write from A to Z. Write A to Z with the help of the Scrabble kit. Write A to Z. With the help of Scrabble kit, you will write A to Z. Khanak, I can't see you. Where are you, bacha? Yes. Okay. Now, Khanak, write A to Z. Okay, A to Z. All the alphabet from A to Z in a proper way. And from that, you have to bifurcate the vowels and the consonant. Okay, you will write A to Z, but from that, you will write vowels different way and the consonant in a different way. Okay, you will bifurcate the vowels. Take out the vowels. Himay, are you doing? Yeah. Shiven, you are doing or you are sitting? Okay, good. Okay, then good. You have to write the alphabets from A to Z, and from then you have to take out the vowels and put it down. Which are the vowels? Yes, Hima, I can see you are showing me O. Everyone will show me vowels in a different way and consonant in a different way. Do it by your way. I'll check it. I'll see it who has done it properly. Do it. Write just A to Z. Some of you have a black and white Scrabble kit, right? I can see Shlok is having black and white. Khanak is having black and white. Even Trayag is having black and white. I can see Shlok has finished till N. But Shlok, K के बाद what will come after K? It's directly N or M or N? Wow, Kia, very nice. She has completed and she has... Very good. So this is called consonant, right, Kia? Now show me the vowels. Very good, Kia. Show me the vowels. Okay, okay. Okay, now I can see Vedika is also doing very nice, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am. See.
Very good, Vedika. Very good. So these are called, what is this called, Vedika?
Alphabet.
Alphabet.
Amma.
But yes. Okay,
A-E-I.
now Vedika, from that you have to take it out the vowels. Okay?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I have small.
Ma'am. Nancy.
Very good, Kia. Very nice.
Thank you.
Very good. You are the first to complete and second is Vedika. Very nice. Gauri, are you doing, bacha? Ayansh, why he has left the meet? Okay, yes.
Ma'am, I have to small vowels and big capital consonant.
Consonant. Okay, so you have bifurcated the vowels with the small letter, small case, and the capital with the consonant, right, Vedika?
Yes.
Okay. But show me, I can't see the vowels. Where you have put vowels? Okay, Vedika. Okay. So, yes, Vedika. Very good. Got it, Vedika. You have put it in. Okay. Now, the one who has completed this activity, they can leave the class. Okay. I can say Kia and Vedika, you can leave the class. Yes, bye. Wait a minute. I'll tell everyone. Okay. Now I can say Shiven is showing me. Okay, Shiven, tell me which are the vowels from this. Tell me. You can say you can say the answer. Yes. Okay. Okay, Shiven, I got it. A, E, I, O, U. They are called vowels, right? And the rest of them, the letters are called. Tell me the answer.
Rest of the letters are called. Rest of the letters are called.
Ma'am, red one is vowel and black is consonant.
Very good, Shiven. Very good. So, good job, Shiven. Now you can leave the class, bacha.
Vowels and
Bye.
black is consonant.
No, bacha, when ma'am is speaking to somebody else, then at that time you have to be quiet for some time, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now wait a minute. Paki has also finished. Paki, I can see you have bifurcated the vowels and the consonant differently. That is very good. I'm happy to see this. Now, Paki, very good job. Okay, Paki, you can leave the class, bacha. Even I can see hate. I can see yours also, hate. Tell me the vowels. Tell me the name of the vowels. And then you can leave.
A-I-U.
And what about you? Very good. Okay. Bye-bye. See you in the next class. Dance class is there. Yes, Shlok, I can see that you have bifurcated the consonant with the capitals and the vowels with the small. So I can know it that you have done it very nicely. Shlok, you have completed the activity very nicely. Very good, Shlok. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am. Red is vowel, black is consonant.
Consonant. Very good, Shlok. Now you can leave the class. Now I can see Prayag is showing me the vowels and the consonant with the different way. Okay, Prayag, that is very good. The first are the called consonant and the second one is called vowel. Prayag, can you name the vowels? Can you name the vowels? Tell me which are the vowels. Good boy.
Very good. Say loudly. E-I-O-U. Bolo.
Very good, Prayag. Very good. Very good. Very nice. See you in the next class, in the dance class. Bye-bye. Now Hriday is showing me. Hriday, from this, Hriday, you will tell me which are the Where is he? He left. Okay. Now Nivan. Nivan is showing me the... Nivan, you will tell me which are the vowels. Okay, vowels you have highlighted with something different. No, it is mix. Nivan, tell me the vowels. Okay, Hriday, I can see you are the vowels. Hriday, good job, bacha. Very nice. And the consonant is a backside. Very good. Good job, Hriday. See you in the next class. What happened? Not happy?
Not happy.
Kya hua? What happened? You have done the activity very nicely. Chalo, next class is the dance class so that you can get a fun. Okay? Chalo, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye, bacha. Ara, what about you? Did you finish your activity? Hime? Okay, Khanak has done. Khanak, you have put the vowels with the red line. Red, yes? And the consonants are with the black. And X and Y and Z, why you have put it with the different color? Tell me the reason. It is randomly or you have any purpose behind that?
Because I didn't have any more same color or one. That's why I did like this.
Okay, but very good. I got to know that the red are the vowels and the black are the consonant, right? Okay, good job, Khanak. See you in the next dance class. Bye-bye. Okay, now, yes, Hime is showing me. Very nice, Hime. Very nice. Very nicely put it. You have put it the activity. Very good. So the red are called vowels, right? Right, Hime? And the black letters, capital letters are called, what we will say, Hime?
These are called Hime. Black one is called?
Capital.
No, capital nahi. Vowels or consonant?
Vowel.
These are the vowels and these are the
Consonant.
good.
Yes, very good. Very good, Hime. Very good. See you in the next class. Yes, Ayash, you have not shown.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Hime.
Ma'am, actually I am at Mumbai. So
See, ma'am.
I just made him write in the notebook.
Okay, so you can send me the pictures afterwards.
Yeah,
No
sure.
issue. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Now I can see Arav. Arav. Bye, Khanak. Yes, Arav, I can see yours. Now, Arav, you will tell me how you have bifurcated the alphabets. A to Z.
तुमने बाइफरकेट कैसे किया? ये सब बाइफरकेट कैसे किया?